We're ready to go for wild safari adventure. We have our food for the animals and we have our car. Are you ready for your wild adventure? Huh? There's no door now. So I guess on the other side, this is what we're gonna ride. And we're ready to meet the animals. Exciting! We are excited. Are you ready, guys? Hello.
Ready.
Ready? Okay. We'll see you next. We're about to do the wild adventure safari. Look at them.
How do you feed them?
Go get one. You can feed them.
With the mouth?
Yeah, the mouth. Look at that. Don't be scared.
Oh.
Just put in the mouth. Hello. Yeah, quick.
What about the small boy? Now feed him some more.
Oh my god. They wanna keep eating. Look at this. Hello guys. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Can we go?
Yes. That's enough feeding, Francis, so they can leave. Don't run. Oh my god, can you hold it, Francis? Oh my god! More!
Feed it more.
Okay. Hold on.
Run, kitchen, it's okay. It's okay. Just give it to them.
No, give it to them. Just put
They
it
have
there.
no teeth. Just You say hey, kitty. Sure, look at it. Put the.
You do it. I'm scared. Ah, there we go. The giraffe.
Look.
There we go. Oh my goodness. What is he doing? Oh, this is a big one. Look at this. Okay, feed them, Frederick. Ah! Feed them, Frederick. Honey, feed all the way. Hello. Woohoo.
Oh, ito na.
Oh my God.
Punitin mo. Uy, nasunog.
He got a big horn, honey. Shoot one more. Shoot it.
Any teeth?
Yes. Live feeding of this cow. Look at this. He's very hungry. He's very hungry.
Look, Mom, look.
Like that. Look at that. See? They're not gonna bite you.
Zebra.
It's the zebra.
Hey. Oh, really?
Hey zebra. Coming.
Come on.
Come on, zebra. Come on.
I got whole bag.
Camel. Do not feed them.
Do not feed the animals. I'm a kid. Ibubos mo